Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, your guide in navigating the art of Stoic living. Today, we're delving into a powerful concept from Stoic philosophy, the circle of control. According to Epictetus, this idea is a cornerstone of Stoicism, serving as a guiding principle for achieving mental tranquility and resilience. Let's unpack this timeless wisdom and see how it can simplify and enrich our lives. Epictetus once said, "Our freedom of will and all actions dependent on it are within our control, whereas our body parts, property, parents, siblings, children, homeland, in short, society, are not within our control." This statement is profound because it fundamentally separates the aspects of life we can influence from those we cannot. It's crucial to remember that a wise person knows what falls within their circle of control and what lies outside it. In life, we often feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of things we think we need to manage. Our careers, relationships, health, social standing, the list goes on and on. But Stoicism simplifies this for us. There is really only one thing within our control: our mind. That's right, even our own body isn't entirely within this circle. Illness or injury could strike at any moment. As extreme as it sounds, you could find yourself in a foreign country and end up in prison there. These events are beyond our control. Understanding this principle brings a profound sense of liberation. Imagine reducing a kilometer-long to-do list to just one item. In simplicity, there is clarity. While everyone else is preoccupied with endless tasks and stressors they can't control, your focus narrows down to something profoundly simple, yet incredibly powerful: your own mind. You have only your choices, your will, and your mind at your disposal. Meditating on this teaching can transform how you approach life's challenges. For example, if you face criticism at work, you can't control how others perceive your efforts, but you can control how you react. Instead of letting it stress you out, you could choose to see it as constructive feedback and an opportunity for growth. Similarly, if you encounter a sudden health issue, it's natural to worry, but you can decide to focus on recovery and maintaining a positive mindset rather than succumbing to fear. This teaching doesn't mean becoming indifferent or apathetic toward external events. On the contrary, it encourages us to engage with the world more wisely. By focusing on what we can control, we become more effective and less stressed. We start to realize the profound power of our choices and actions, no matter how small they seem. Now, I want to challenge you with a practical exercise. For the next week, keep a journal of situations where you felt stressed or overwhelmed. Write down what specifically bothered you, and then categorize it. Was it something within your control or outside of it? Often, you'll find that the source of your distress lies outside your circle of control. This simple practice can help shift your focus and energy to what truly matters: your own responses and mindset. To put it into perspective, let's revisit the words of Epictetus. Our freedom of will and all actions dependent on it are within our control, whereas our body parts, property, parents, siblings, children, homeland, in short, society, are not within our control. Recognizing and accepting this can free us from undue stress and help us lead more focused, productive lives. By embracing the simplicity of the Stoic circle of control, we gain a clearer perspective on what truly matters. We free ourselves from the bondage of worrying about the uncontrollable and concentrate our efforts on our own thoughts and actions. This mindset shift not only boosts resilience, but also fosters inner peace. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, the power lies within you, not in the uncontrollable external world. If you found this discussion helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's continue this journey together towards a tranquil and fulfilling life. Until next time, stay wise and stay resilient, my friends.